Welcome back, David here again. So in this video I'm going to show you how to compare two videos using the masking tool. This is a very simple tutorial. It's not going to take our time at all. So I have two clips which I'm going to bring into the timeline right about now. This is the very first clip and this is the second clip. What is the difference? This is just a normal clip. As you would see, if I scroll to the front, there's no zoom effect. It's just a normal video I color graded. And this is the second one which I'm going to bring in, which is going to overlay on the second one. Okay, as you can see, this one has a zoom effect on it, a cinematic zoom effect. So now I want to compare it. Just me, for instance, you want to send it to your client, or you just want to make this effect in your videos and you want to put them side by side. So what will you do? Starting with the clip below, you're going to click on it and you're going to go into video and max. Okay, it's going to be on basic. You're going to take it to max and click on that, and you're going to be using this horizontal max tool. So you just click on that, and now what you're going to do is to turn this 90 degrees as we have it here, right? And you can reduce the fade or move it to the side. You can either do one. If you want to move it to the side more, you can do like that. Okay, but if you want to put in the middle but just reduce the fade, you can just drag on this button like so to just add a little fade. And we are going to do same thing with this clip. Okay, we're going to do same thing with this clip. We're going to add the horizontal max, right? And now you can see it's under this, but then I'm going to turn it, right, again like I did with the last one. All right, so now we have it just like that. So now we have that, and we can do that or just make it that way. For this one, I'm just going to reduce the drag I did. Okay, so now we have those two clips side by side and they are both doing different things, right? So you can see, and you can drag one to the end just like that, and if you play it, so you have two clips and you can decide to move this particular clip to the side like that, right? You can decide to zoom in or zoom out, move these two clips, right? You can decide to do whatever you want with them. It's totally up to you. You can decide to make them like this. Okay, so you have one with the zoom and the other one without the zoom. So they are just two clips now playing, and if we go to the beginning, we'll play them. This is what you get. Okay, this is what you get. Let me just play that for you. So you can see there are two clips. One is zooming in and one is just a normal clip, but they are two different clips and then they meet at the end. So it's quite simple to compare two clips, and you can do it for images too, comparing two images. You can try this out for yourself. It's quite easy, not complicated at all. I hope you found this interesting, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.